guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a Happy Mail unboxing from my dear snail mail friend Sandra. I call her my twin pal, or we refer to each other that way because we connect on so many levels. We share so many similar interests. So we are also celebrating our 4th year anniversary. August marks our 4th year of being friends as pen pals. And so I'm super happy and blessed to have you as a friend, Sandra. So excited to see what you sent me. And guess who else was excited to receive this package? Here's my dog, Bailey. For some reason, he was all over this package. I don't know if he smelled Sandra's dog, Koa. She has this beautiful dog. It's a shepherd dog, Koa, and I'm guessing Bailey might have smelled him. Anyway, while I am carefully opening this package, just a quick reminder, if you haven't entered my giveaway, make sure you do. I'll put the link in the description box. I'm also celebrating my 4th year anniversary here on YouTube, so I'm super excited to share with you some goodies. Let me just see, how do we, hold on. Now let's pull out the goodies in here. I think there is a few more. Okay, I spy, these melted. Hopefully, I love Aero chocolate, but I'm going to put in the freezer and hope I can still save this. It has been a little bit warmer than usual here in California. We have some of this cardboard protective tape. She gave me some washi. I'm going to have to show you that up close. Hold on one sec. Let me just put that to the side. And oh, thank you, Sandra. She has sent me Echo Park's Chipboard phrases, and I love the fall theme. One of my favorite seasons is fall. We love foxes, so she knows that I really love these animals and woodland creatures. Look how adorable the colors are on this. I cannot wait to use that. What is this? Paper feathers. I love it. I love birds. Again, 29 pieces. Let's open this and see. These will be perfect for my art journal. Oh my gosh, and collaging. There's so many in here. Hold on. Let's see. Wow. Look at that big one. I love gold foil. So we have some of these. Wow, these are so pretty. Look at the variations in the colors of the feathers. That is so cute. There's a tiny one here too. I love this. My daughter Emmy has a collection of feathers. Like, we have a lot of wild turkeys that walk around our area, so we have peregrine falcons. Can't talk. But these are gorgeous, Sandra. I love these. These are so cool. Look at this pink one. Oh my goodness. And we have more of these. And I love that. That's so cool. I love the gold foil. That is so pretty. Love that. I'm going to have to work with this with some of my collaging and some future journaling that I'll show you. Oh, she sent me another one of Echo Park's Autumn Celebration here. This time they are ephemeras. Here's a closer look at what this ephemera pack comes with. Look at this adorable envelope. I love the pattern and this adorable hedgehog. Here it says, oh, that is so cute. Some goodies from my favorite Etsy shops. Oh, that's so cute. Really love this fox and the ephemera. So let's open and see what she's included. Oh, wow. I spy Yoda, but look at this adorable little pendant charm of a little marshmallow figure reading a book. That is so cute. How cute is that pendant? Super cute. I can't wait to put that on my planner And she's included some adorable stickers here. Let me just open it. Look at this. I love the baby Yoda. That is so cute. And this character is dressed in her costume. That's so cute. We have her reading a little book. Put that there. Oh, I love calico cats. That's so cute. And then we have this adorable girl and her unicorn. And look at this fluffy one. Ready to watch, all cozy with her bucket of popcorn. I love that. What is it? It's a notepad. Let's see. How cute. They're all dressed up again in this time Sanrio characters. That is so adorable. Thank you for sharing this, Sandra. This is so cute. I love Sanrio. And what has she? She has also given me some glass magnets. Oh, I love this. I can put this on at my desk. I have a little magnetic little envelope where you can put these magnets on. This is so pretty. I love it. Look at those fall leaves. There's some pumpkin. Really love that. And I see that she's also made some special fall projects. Super excited to see it. I love her creations. Her journals are beautiful. Like, I've seen the ones she's handmade, custom made in the past, and they are gorgeous. Let's see, and the flip book. So we have done a lot of creative swaps where we do flip book swaps. Let me just move these so we can look at what she's created. Opened it. Look at this. Start with this one. Oh, I love this. It says, let's open it. I love this brand closure. Cozy autumn days. Look how sweet that squirrel looks. Oh, Sandra, this is so cute. Give thanks with a grateful heart. That is so true. And it says thankful. Oh, look at these guys. This is so adorable. She has read me. I have to read my letter. It says beautiful autumn. Let me just take a look at this card. Oh. Oh, thank you, Sandra. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my gosh, I cherish our friendship. And yes, I'm hoping that things normalize soon as well. Look at what she's included. This is so adorable. Sandra, let me know what the name of the character is. This is so cute. This time it is a fall theme. Let's see. Look at that cute leaf. And she's wearing a fox costume. That is so adorable. We have a pocket here with burlap. Oh, I love the way she's dressed this, and she's included some cute little stickers in ephemera. Oh, love the red cardinal. Give thanks, autumn memories. This will be perfect for my fall journal. Autumn skies. Oh, I love pumpkin pie. And then we have our hedgehog. And then I think there's something. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. It opens up and we have these cute card cut-aparts. How cute! Oh, currently, I'm going to have to read this privately. So that's her current lead list. Excited to read that. And this is a continuation, but look how cute these cards are. That is a really clever way to package this for a pen pal. I mean, it's so cute. And it opens up on the other side. Okay, I see this number 1. We have some tag questions. Look how cute. And then number 2 here holds. I love this format. This one has answers to some of my tag questions for her. And we have that adorable bunny. I love this. Super, super cute. And we have one more item that she has made for me. Let me just put that. Look at this adorable. It looks like an album. It is so cute. I'm so in love with this cute little fox and her lashes. That is so cute. This autumn. Oh, I love this. Love the matching orange clip there. Let's open it up. How cute! She has included some of these journal cards. Oh, she's already pre-matted them. I love that. I'm all set for fall. I love making printouts of my photo collages and putting them in my little journal. Oh, there's more goodies here. How cute is that belly band? Look at that. Super cute. Oh, I love this with the red cardinal. It says hello fall. And we got some owls. That's so cute. And let's see what these are. Oh, I love this format. Look, it lifts up. I love that. You have a journaling spot there. And I love this paper pad that you use. Super pretty. All the sides. We have this other side here. Cute one. I love that. Autumn blessings. Cute little belly band with a tag. I'm nuts about you. And that is so precious. Thank you so much, Sandra. Definitely using this for my fall journaling. This is so pretty, and I love how she binded this all together. This is so precious. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. So let's see again what Sandra's given me. So many goodies. Again, make sure to check out the playlist. It's going to be in my Happy Mail. I'll try and make one for Sandra because there are quite a lot, and I think you will enjoy her creations. There's so much inspiration in her snail mail creations that I think you will find some wonderful, wonderful creative ideas on how to send snail mail, how to prepare them and package them. Again, Sandra, thank you so much for this wonderful fall mail. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing a little bit of a fall journaling with this beautiful album soon. So thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you again next time. Bye.